Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video we are going to be trying out viral hacks from TikTok, and they are basically going to be life hacks, and they are very interesting and amazing. When I saw them, I did not even believe that this can happen. They are very innovative as well, innovative to the next level. I mean, without making this intro longer, we are quickly going to be diving into the video, guys. Also, if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to the channel yet, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean everything to me, and we are quickly gonna get started now. So guys, for this hack we need a dryer and an Oreo. I have taken it here. So in this video it is shown that as soon as you blow the air in the Oreo, the cream is gonna ooze out this way. Let's see if this is gonna work or not. I have taken the dryer here. I'm gonna start blowing the air on this biscuit, and let's see if this one works or not. So guys, in my case the cream has completely melted, and this is how it has turned out. So guys, we are done here, and I have blown so much hot air in this biscuit, and the cream was blowing up, but not exactly as it was shown in the video. But it was a very interesting hack to try out, and the cream has completely melted. So if I have to rate this hack, I'll give this hack 5 points on 10. Guys, coming to the next hack, we are gonna be needing a hair straightener for this one and some corn kernel. And this hack, as you guys can see in the video, this says if you place a corn kernel here and heat it up, after some time it is gonna pop into a popcorn. Very excited to try this out, and let's begin this hack. So guys, can you see my popcorn is ready, and this hack really works, but it does take a lot of time. So we just have to see if the hacks work or not. So I'm gonna give it 9 on 10, but the 1 point I'm not gonna give it because of the time it takes. It takes really long, guys. I guess it takes around 20 to 30 seconds, and in the first go I wasn't even able to do it because the kernel wasn't popping. But yes, the hacks really works, and I'm gonna try this out. Very nice. So guys, the next hack is gonna be, you are gonna need some currency, a note, and some straightener again. So in this hack it is shown that if your note is all curled up and doesn't look good, so all you need to do is take the note and make it pass through the straightener, and it is gonna become just like a new note, like once you receive from the ATM or the bank. We are quickly gonna be trying this out hack. Guys, can you look at this note? It just looks like new note, and the idea is super innovative. Just look at these hacks. Somebody has so much of mind in making these work, and I'm really impressed with these hacks because almost all of them has worked yet. And this note hack is really cool. If you're obsessed with new notes, you can definitely try this hack out. So it's a 10 on 10 from my side. Guys, I absolutely love these hacks and the video was super interesting to shoot. I loved each and every part of it. I guess I'm coming to the part wherein I'm finding content which I love to make. So I really hope that you find it as interesting and as useful as I did. These hacks are amazing, super innovative and wowful.